Hey everybody, hi. Monday is Columbus Day, and part of the state law says that if you're going to school on Columbus Day, you need to teach about Christopher Columbus. And this kind of ties a lot of things that what we learned last month in class. We learned who makes laws and who makes rules. So rules are made by your teacher, by the principal, by your mom and dad. Laws are made by the person who lives in the White House, President Trump, our governor, and who's the head of our state, and our mayor, who's the head of our city. Those are the people who make laws. And one of the laws they made, the governor of our state made, is that, hey, if you don't go to school on Columbus Day, you have to learn about Christopher Columbus. So let's learn. I don't want to get in trouble because we learned that if you break a law, things can happen to you, right? You can get fined, you can go to jail, you can get a ticket. Now, nobody is going to really give me a ticket if we don't learn about Christopher Columbus. But your boss, your principal, might say, Mike, why didn't you teach your class about Christopher Columbus? And I might get in trouble. And nobody wants to get in trouble. So let's talk about Christopher Columbus. And you need to learn about him. He was an important figure in history. So we're going to do a couple of activities about Christopher Columbus and learn something about him because everybody should really know about Christopher Columbus and about some of the debates about modern Christopher Columbus in the modern day. There's a big move to say don't celebrate Columbus Day, but celebrate Indigenous People Day, and we'll learn about what that term means. But it's a really to participate in society, you really should know who Christopher Columbus is and what is the debate is about celebrating Christopher Columbus. So our title of our book is Christopher Columbus. This is going to be a nonfiction book. This book is going to be a book that's really true, a biography of Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was an explorer. That means he goes out and he wants to find new things. King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella gave Christopher Columbus 3 ships. He started his voyage in Spain. He got 3 ships named the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. He looked for gold. He looked for a shorter path to India. He accidentally discovered America. Right? We are going to learn some more about those myths and realities about Christopher Columbus, but that kind of gives you a thumbnail sketch of who Christopher Columbus was. Thank you, and we'll see you a little bit more about Christopher Columbus in a second.